This is a cute, slouchy PU leather mid-calf height flat boot with faux fur lining for kids. I was sent a review from Dream Pairs, so let me show you a closer look. The non-slip sole is nice and flat, which can be hard to find in a boot. I don't know about you, but I really don't want my girls in a high heel. Not yet anyway, so this is really nice. They do have a zipper on the inside. It doesn't go all the way up. This is it. My daughter doesn't really need it. She tends to just slide the boots on and off without using the zipper, but it's there if you need it. The top cuff is the same PU leather on the outside and the inside, but it's nice and smooth, nothing really scratchy. And then there is this elasticized band in case they need an extra stretch, but they are fairly baggy on my daughter. Very comfortable. Once you get below the cuff, you have this really soft, warm and cozy faux fur lining that goes all the way to the toe. Even the sole has the nice faux fur lining. So nice. My daughter is loving these boots from Dream Pairs, and I know yours will too.